Okay guys, today on snacks, been doing a little vending with my buddy Stan, so you can always find like different stuff. So today, look what we got. We have the Great Lakes Potato Chip Company, the Michigan Cherry BBQ Skin of Goodness Premier Potatoes. Let's give it a try. I'm sure a lot of Ohio State fans buy these. It's kettle cooked. I hope he makes a big profit margin off these, because I'm not tasting basically any flavor whatsoever. Let me give it one more try. It tastes like a kettle cook with a really, really, really light barbecue. There you go. Nothing special. But I'm going to eat the bag. I mean, they're not terrible, but there we go.